Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a QR code of a location on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're just going to need to grab the link of any location on Google Maps that you know of or that you want to choose for yourself, and then you're just gonna enter that Google Maps link into a QR code creator. There are tons of free ones on the internet, so just choose whichever one you would like. So let's get right into it. Now I won't be showing you guys how to use QR code scanners. You literally just need to put in the link and you just need to find whichever one fits you best. It is really entirely dependent on your wishes. So what you're going to need to do, of course, is fetch the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find an address over here on New York. So for example, let's say 71 East 96th Street. Just click on that location. And as you can see, you have the share option right over here. You can just click share. And once you're there, you can just click copy link right over here. You can then copy that link over into the QR code creator, and once you create that QR code, you will be able to access that link through that QR code. You can of course give it to anybody to scan it. They can use any app that scans QR codes, or they can use their camera if they do have that functionality built in. But other than that, that is essentially all there is to it. There really is nothing else to add. It's a very simple process. It is pretty much just exactly the same as creating a QR code for anything else, and that's all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.